My top 5 favorite concealers. Number 1, Sugar Cosmetics Waterproof Concealer. It retails for $6.99 and it is amazing. It gives you good coverage and good undertone, and it's very thick but matte at the same time. If you are someone who has really dark pigmented under eyes, you should definitely try it out. Number 2 is cult favorite Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I don't like its applicator a lot, but it gives a fantastic coverage, and if you go to college or office on regular basis and you need to conceal some tits, bits and under eyes, it's a must have. Also, it's medium to full coverage. It retails from $650 to $700 depending upon your shade. Third one I have for you is a halal certified brand called Eba Cosmetics. I have been a fan of this concealer since so long. It's super lightweight, I tell you, it's super lightweight and it feels like nothing. You have worn nothing under your eyes. If you use concealer on daily basis, this is a must have. I must say that it has got a limited shade range, but if you have the right shade, you will love it. It retails for $4.79. Number 4 is Velora Paris Magic Under Eye Concealer with Corrector. It comes with a little orange color pot. It has got amazing shade range, great wearability, medium to buildable coverage, and the undertone is to die for. Matlab, it's just chef kiss. It retails for $4.49. Number 5, it's the most affordable concealer you'll ever find and with good quality, which is Swiss Beauty Lightweight Liquid Concealer. This is super full coverage, has got decent shade range. It retails at $190, and let me tell you, a con of this, not suitable for too dusky skin tones. It's self-setting, but I feel that if you have oily under eyes, you should definitely set it with powder. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends.